Hey everybody, two things I'm really excited to share with you today. Waterfront living and a spectacular Riverside Boulevard penthouse. You ready? Come on, let's go. And check this out, living near water actually reduces our stress and anxiety. I mean, look over there. Those people do not look stressed out. So I recently read a very interesting study which referred to the term blue mind, which describes this mildly meditative state we fall into when we're in, on, near, or underwater. Something to think about. The Heritage Condominium at 240 Riverside Boulevard. It's got what we call cachet. Let's go check out Penthouse 2B. One of my favorite things about the home is this expansive feel as soon as you enter the foyer. The sense that you've come home, that you've arrived. Long, stretching floor-through vistas that span to the west with direct Hudson River views, and to the east with a city panorama. It's incredibly unique. Speaking of views, this is what you'll wake up to. Here's where you'll relax and entertain. Like a morning coffee? Bam, look at that. Need a second bedroom? Okay. How about one with these panoramic views? A third bedroom? No problem, look at this view. Feel like taking a bath? We've got a view for that. And if you're planning a dinner party, hosting friends, or just want to have a meal, we've got you covered. While we're here, I want to point out one of my favorite features of the home. This formal dining room that's just off the kitchen. It's not something you see a lot these days, but I really appreciate the functionality and utility that having a defined space offers. It also speaks to a thoughtful floor plan that enjoys a well-proportioned layout, starting with the foyer. The eat-in kitchen is the center of the home. On one side is this huge living room, itself almost 400 square feet, and on the other side, the dining room. The master bedroom is on one end, and the second and third bedrooms are on the other end. Soaring 12-foot ceilings, gorgeous herringbone floors, and these incredible oversized windows throughout. And you should see these views at night. They're spectacular.